Today I'd like to make a tutorial video on how to make an offline copy of Wikipedia to be used in an off-grid situation. So a situation when you didn't have internet access, but you still wanted to be able to obtain access to the information available on Wikipedia. Following the steps in this video will show you how to do it. Since my channel focuses on emergency preparedness, we all know that the most important prep to have is knowledge or skills. And what says knowledge more than Wikipedia, which basically has all of human knowledge documented to around 60 gigs with images or so. So for this video, we're going to be using a tool called Kiwix, and we're going to use a MicroSD card. This is a 128 gig version. You might be able to fit Wikipedia in a 64 gig MicroSD card, but using the 128 version will allow us extra storage space to store additional items. So let's get started now with this video featuring how to create an offline copy of Wikipedia. First, you will need to purchase a large capacity MicroSD card that includes an SD adapter. I chose the SanDisk Ultra 128 gig MicroSD XC card with adapter, which cost around $40. I've provided a link to this item in the description box of this video. This will provide plenty of storage space for Wikipedia with images, in addition to whatever additional data you would like to store on the MicroSD card, such as backup documents, your MP3 collection, or even your Linda Carter photo albums. Insert the MicroSD card into the SD adapter and then insert that into your computer. The Wikipedia download is around 66 gigs, so I'd recommend downloading it from your laptop and then extracting it to the MicroSD card, since the download time will be a lengthy process. Using your File Explorer, verify that the MicroSD card is not formatted with a FAT partition. This type of a file system has a built-in limitation on the size of files that it may contain, which is 4 gigs. If the MicroSD is pre-formatted to FAT32, format the MicroSD card to something like NTFS or preferably exFAT. The SanDisk Ultra 128 gig is pre-formatted to exFAT, exFAT, so we are good to go. You'll need to verify what file system formats that your device actually supports. Now, go to the Kiwix download page to download Wikipedia. I provided the direct URL in the description box of this video. It is available for download in multiple languages. I'm going to be downloading in English and using a Windows operating system for this tutorial. Click the Download Wikipedia button. This will download a very large zip file with all of Wikipedia included in multiple zip files. You'll probably need to wait for several hours for this download to complete. Make sure that the device that you're downloading to has ample storage space remaining. Once the Wikipedia zip file has completed downloading, extract the files directly to the MicroSD card. There are multiple zip programs that you could use for this. I've been using Zip Genius lately. If you want to also have an additional copy of Wikipedia saved on your workstation's hard drive, you could extract the files directly to your system and then copy them over to the MicroSD card. This way you have a backup and you can make additional copies of Wikipedia from the same workstation. If you'd like to be able to view Wikipedia offline from your laptop or workstation, download the Windows version of Kiwix. The link's provided in the description box. On the MicroSD card, I've made a few subfolders. One to store all of the extracted Wikipedia data files, the other to store the APK for the Android Kiwix app, just in case Google Play Store is unavailable for software app downloading. By the way, I'm going to be using an Android device for this video. iOS users will need to vary their installation instructions. You should now have all of Wikipedia offline files stored on the MicroSD card. In the Data/Content subfolder, you will see multiple ZIM files. The ZIM file format is an open file format that stores wiki content for offline usage. These are the files that contain all of Wikipedia. You can now remove the SD card from your laptop or workstation. Since we are configuring this offline copy of Wikipedia during a grid up situation, we might as well install the Kiwix app now onto your device. Go to the Kiwix Google Play Store from your computer using the link provided in the description box. Press the Install button, and then you'll have the option to select the device you would like the Kiwix app installed on from the drop-down list. You could also do this process directly from your mobile or tablet device or wherever you're planning on using Kiwix with Wikipedia offline. After selecting Install, the Kiwix app will install on your selected device within a few moments. You will see that the application has installed from the notification tray in Android. Now let's power down the mobile device. You now need to move the MicroSD card from the adapter and insert it into the mobile device. You could do this by removing the battery cover of your device or accessing the SD tray using an eject pin, depending on the device. Insert the MicroSD card into the SD tray and reinsert it back into the device. Once inserted, power up the mobile device. Your device will briefly configure itself to use the new MicroSD card for storage. Open the Kiwix app from your device homepage or app grid. Now we want to open the Wikipedia zim file to view the offline Wikipedia catalog. Press the MicroSD card icon. This will show the available zim files to configure with Kiwix. Select the file located on the MicroSD card storage path. Once opened, Kiwix will open the main page to Wikipedia. From there, you could use the search tool, create favorites, open multiple Kiwix application windows, and more. Offline Wikipedia should now be properly set up using the Kiwix app. To verify that the information is accessible offline, turn your mobile device into airplane mode. This will disable your data connection and Wi-Fi connection, which should simulate what you might experience in a grid-down situation, omitting the possibility of EMP, of course. Once the device has been put into airplane mode, go back to the Kiwix app and search for a topic. For example, do a search on the antibiotic amoxicillin to find out detailed information on medical uses, dosages, and more. If the amoxicillin Wikipedia page opened with images, congratulations! You now have a full copy of Wikipedia stored on a MicroSD card and readily accessible from your mobile device. You can now access so much of human knowledge even if the internet is completely down. In an emergency situation, you could use Wikipedia from Kiwix to research information on topics such as antibiotics, medical treatment techniques, government laws, primitive shelter options, or even the biography of Linda Carter. Also, the data could be easily replicated to friends and family to help distribute a wealth of knowledge to anyone who happens to have a spare 65 gigs of storage space available on a flash drive or their computer hard drive. If you're a prepper, you could store this data with your bug-out bag or an Altoid survival kit. Otherwise, it could just be included on the MicroSD card for everyday use with your smartphone in addition to your other media like MP3s, videos, and photos. There are several different methods of viewing the offline Wikipedia data. Kiwix just happens to be one possible method, which I personally like since it was originally developed by the engineers who also work on Wikipedia. You could also use other tools such as R Dictionary, eBook, and WikiViewer for Rockbox. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial video on how to make an offline copy of Wikipedia to be used in a grid down situation when you might not have internet access. So we were using Kiwix in this video and also just a small micro SD card that you could basically store anywhere. So you could have it installed into your smartphone and be able to access it even if you don't have internet access on your smartphone at that time. Using the micro SD card adapter, you could put it into a USB, access it from a computer. You could also put it into an SD card adapter as well. You could also store this maybe in your wallet or even in an Altoid survival tin. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please feel free to leave any kind of comments below in the comment section, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.